I'm 22. My first job paid me $400 a month. And for the longest time, I thought side hustle meant online surveys that give you $2 after 4 hours. One day I decided either do something real or do nothing. I tried 3 things. All 3 paid me real money. Number 1, chat support on freelancing sites. I thought, I don't know design, I don't know coding. Then I realized small business owners just need someone to reply to their customers. I made a simple profile, fluent in English, free 4 to 5 hours a day. That's it. First client, an Instagram store selling skincare. My job, reply to DMs and track orders. How much? $60 per month for 2 hours a day. And I was already scrolling on my phone anyway. This actually paid me. Number 2, old school. Teaching a neighbor's kid. 2 buildings down, there's a 10th grade kid struggling with math. I said yes, $25 per month, 3 times a week, 1 hour each. I taught the basics, percentages, profit loss, averages. In 3 months, he went from 55% to 72%. Mom gave me a 6th bonus, total $81 in 3 months. And I revised my own math too. Number 3, for when I urgently needed cash. Phone EMI was due. I did food delivery. I already had a bike. 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. on weekdays. Extra on weekends. 8 to 10 hours a week. I made $35 to $45 per week. It's hard work. You get tired. But when there's pressure, this works. I don't do it regularly anymore. But now I know I have an option. Comparing all 3. Surveys are $2 for 4 hours of boredom. These 3 gave me real money. I'm not a finance expert. I'm just 22, figuring out how to make money work without losing my mind. Have you tried a side hustle that actually paid you? Comment below, I'm still learning from you, and hey, subscribe if you want one real experiment result every Monday. No pressure. See you in the next one.